Welcome class 5 in your e-learning classes. This is our science class. We have already started rocks and mineral. And yesterday we discussed igneous rock, and today we will explain about the sedimentary rock. Okay. So what is sedimentary rock? We know sedimentary rocks are formed from pebble, sand, mud or the clay. And they get deposited in the sea and the ocean. So how these sedimentary rocks are being formed? They are forming due to the repeated heating and cooling of the mountains by rain, wind and sunlight. Break the rocks. These small pieces of the rocks are carried down by the river flow of the water, and they get deposited and connected on the strong pieces of they are carried down by the river and strong winds, lakes and seas. They sink to the bottom and settle down here, and due to the constant layering of these type of pebbles, clay, rocks and other sediments are being collected and deposited. They are making layer after layer and forming a special type of rock called sedimentary rocks. Why the name is given the sedimentary rock? Sedimentary rocks means they are being deposited layer by layer. Okay, so they are being formed due to the layering of the deposited things. What are the deposited things? What are the collection of the things? These are pebbles, soil, sand, mud and clay. These are being layering up. So when one layer is being formed, then again the river is carrying, or the water bodies are carrying the different type of layer, another layer, and this layer is being pressed by the second coming layer. And this layer is just pressing the another one, the last one, and then again the layer comes. By this way, the layers are being formed one after another, and they are pressing the lower ones. And from this pressing of this lower ones layers, they are forming, or they are being converted into the hard substance called the rock. And these rocks are making a special type of rock called sedimentary rock. So due to the depositions of these things, when the substances are being changed into a solidified state or the solid state or the solid rock, this is called the sedimentary rock. Now today we will talk about types of sedimentary rock. There are 5 types of sedimentary rocks: sandstone, conglomerate, shale, limestone and gypsum. So the first one is sandstone. Sandstone is formed when small particles of sand get compressed and get joined with one another. So the sands are being joining one another, and sandstone mainly consists of a special kind of mineral called quartz. So what is this quartz? Quartz have a special type of quality. They glitters at night, or they brighten up in the night. So sometimes we use the quartz watches. Why we use this quartz watches? Because this quartz gives a bright appearance, or they glitters at night. So in that time, in the darkest of the night, we can see the time properly as they shine on the dial. Okay. But what about the sandstone? They are very coarse in nature. They are not so smooth. If we touch the sandstone, they are very coarse, or you can say they are rough to touch. They are not too very smooth to touch. So that's why this kind of rocks are coarse in nature, and it is widely used for making building, because they are very strong in nature, and they are not easily being broken. So many old buildings, even the Red Fort of our Delhi, or Red Fort of our capital city Delhi, is also made up of red sandstone. Even in the Agra, you will see the fort of the Agra, that is also made up of sandstone. So what we are coming out from this sandstone? Sandstone is actually collection of sand, and they are deposited, they are being joined each other with the sand, and one mineral is generally found in this type of sand, that is quartz. And many old buildings we can see made up of sandstone, especially the Red Fort. Next one is the conglomerate. This conglomerate is actually a deposition of so many things. They are mass of the pebble, sand, gravel. They get together and cemented to form another kind of sedimentary rock, that is called the conglomerate. This conglomerate having special minerals like silica and calcium carbonate, and it is mostly orange or grey in color. It is withstand weathering. It is used for construction and polishing the ornaments. its texture is smooth, and they are used for the sometimes weatherproof or the rainproof buildings you have seen. They are being polished from this kind of minerals, or you can say the minerals which are found from there, that is calcium carbonate along with the silica. So they are after the polishing of this kind of paint, these are being waterproof. Okay. So conglomerate is a deposition of so many type of sands and minerals. They are pebble, gravel and sand. They all together mix to form this conglomerate, and the mineral found here is calcium carbonate along with silica. Next one is the shale. Shale is a smooth sedimentary rock formed when layers of the clay hardens and used to make the tiles and the bricks. So how the shale is being formed? Shale is a kind of smooth sedimentary rocks, and how they are formed? Due to the layering of the clay, this type of shale is being formed. So the clay is layering up to form the shale, and it is smooth in nature, and generally they are used to make the tiles and some kinds of bricks. Now the limestone. Limestone is made up of mineral called calcite. This calcite, this mineral comes from the shells of sea creatures. When shells and skeleton of millions of the tiny sea creatures settle down in the sea bed, they form the layer. This layer hardened to form the limestone. Chalk is also a limestone rock. Cement and lime are also made by using limestone. It is also used to make glass and for separating pure metals from their ones. So this is a specific type of rocks. Sometimes we see the coral reef and all that in the sea creatures. A skeleton of this calcium carbonate we have seen. So these all kinds of rocks are actually made from this special kind of limestone. They are called the limestone. So generally we get these shells from the sea creatures. When the shells and the skeleton of these millions of the tiny sea creatures settle down, they form the limestone. That's why the cement factory, and they use the trashing of this limestone from the coral reefs, and these coral reefs are actually used for making cements and different kinds for separating pure metal from their ores. So this is a very important. So coral reefs are also very important as they are trashing out from these grains. So nowadays these are being destroyed. So many roofs, actually they are the shelters of tiny creatures, no? But as we are getting it out from the sea, so these shelters are being destroyed. So the sea creatures or the shells we are getting from the sea. Last one is the gypsum rock, and this is a special kind of this is also a special kind of soft rock made up of sulfate minerals. So what are the sulfate? It is used for making plaster. Calcium sulfate is especially made for this, and plaster of Paris, cast molds and false ceiling is made from this gypsum salt. Even when we are getting the plaster over our broken leg or broken hand, this is being used up. Okay, so this is also very important. Right now you will learn the names of these stones, and the specific characters I will write in my next video. So that's all for the day, and have a nice day, and be safe at your home. Thank you. Goodbye.